I don't want this child.
That woman left the child in the rain and walked away.
Oh no! This woman left such a small child and walked away. What should I do now? I can't leave him here. Should we adopt this baby?
The kitten adopted the baby and took him along. The kitten worked with scraps to get milk for the baby.
This is the money for your work.
Thank you, sir. I really need the money. We've saved enough money to buy milk for the baby.
The kitten went to the grocery store to buy milk for the baby. The kitten thought this money would be enough for the milk.
Madam, take this money and give me the milk.
Get out, poor kitten. This money isn't enough for the milk.
What should I do? He needs milk. Please help me. He needs milk.
Kitten, don't worry. I'll go get the milk. The female worker helped the kitten. The kitten also got a job at the restaurant. By mistake, the kitten dropped the order.
You are quitting this job, poor kitten. Save your baby and get out.
A couple notices them, and they adopt both of them. The couple gave the kitten and the baby a new home, and they are all very happy together.